what's going on? I'm coming to you guys today to tell you about something I'm really excited about. I got the ring box. Yay! So I'm like totally geeked up. I told my fiance during this quarantine that I just wanted something to be able to look forward to since I can't really wedding plan or do anything. I just wanted something to look forward to. So he said cool, and he got me a subscription to the ring box. So this is the box that it comes in. It's just a nice blue box. Really pretty, like Tiffany blue. And when you open the box, this is what it looks like. So you can see, and then here, okay. Now, there is like tissue paper on the box, so I will show you. And you pretty much just open up the tissue paper, and then there's a little card, and it says, for the bride-to-be. And on the back of the card, there's pretty much just like different things that in here. So it tells you what's in here. It tells you how much it could cost retail, and it kind of gives like a little description. Also, there's like a free chance to win something. Okay. So, and oh, this is so cute. It says, congratulations, you're engaged. We are so excited to be part of this journey with you. And then it says XOXO, the ring boxes. Love it. Okay, so next part. So there's this beautiful like confetti in there. So you just go ahead and you want to just take the confetti out or leave it in. It's up to you. And we're going to start pulling stuff out. So the first thing is you get this like cute little pair of socks. And I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to disclose everything to you guys. So you get this cute pair of socks. And the socks say the bride. So literally like the bride. That's cute. Next, something heavy. Okay, so let's see what this is. I believe this is a mug. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open that right on up. Ooh. Oh, cute. It's a mug. It says, officially off the market. And it's a clear mug. That's so like chic and like bougie schmougie. I love that. That's super cute. Okay, next we have some type of clothing item. Let's see what it is. How do we open it up? Gotta rip it like it's freaking Christmas, because it is Christmas. I'm bride to be is freaking Christmas. Okay. Oh, cute. So it's a t-shirt and it just says bride. So this is really cute. Maybe I can wear this like to work or something. Oh, that's cute. Out on a date, I don't know, wherever. Or I feel like being cute and comfy, you know. Okay. Next we have, now let's see if there's anything in here. Okay. Okay, I was super geeked. Okay, no, there's nothing in here, but it's a cute little ring box for you to keep your stuff. And it literally, hold on, wait, let me get close. So it literally just says, I do. So it's a cute little ring box just for you to put your stuff in. Your ring, obviously. I already kind of have something like that. Just a word of advice. They say do keep like ring boxes and stuff around the house. So like if you ever need to take your ring off, you know exactly where you put it because you put it in the same spot every time. So that is something like really good and cool to have. Next we got these little cup holders. Hold on. I'm gonna turn this down for you guys because I feel like that's probably why you can't see. So, I'm trying. So that says Mrs. and then there's one that says Mr. So I think these are super cute. Sometime me and my fiance will like do like a little picnic or something like that. So that's cute to do that, or maybe to go to a Cubs game. I am in Chicago. We love to go to Cubs and Sox games. So that's cute for that. And next, at the very bottom, we have a wedding planner. This is super cute. We know we definitely need something to keep record of everything. Okay, so let's look in this. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see it. So it says the entertainment, the invitations. There's cute little sayings at the bottom. It's like 12 months to go, your vows, baby shower, honeymoon, dinner guests. So it's a really cute little wedding planner that's in there. So it was some really super cute stuff in here. And one cool thing that I think that I really like is the fact that like on the back, they tell you like the amount that like everything's worth. So it kind of makes you feel like, you know, am I really getting what I'm paying for? So just a little bit about the company too. This particular company is called The Ring Boxes. And like I said, I did a little bit of research before I actually ordered from a company just to see which one had the stuff in it that I want. That's a good idea, just kind of compare and contrast. I felt like this box for the price was the best box for me. This box was actually, I believe, $38, I believe. I only got the box for like 3 months because I just wanted to test it just in case I didn't like it. But so far, I like it. And I don't know if I'll extend it past the 3 months or not. I might just try a different box. Who knows? But yeah, I really like that. The first subscription, the first month, they also give you 50% off. So that's a great thing. So the first box, I think only paid like 20 bucks. It comes really fast. They gave me really good customer service. I wanted to get the box, like while we were in quarantine. I didn't want to have to wait till like May. And she emailed and she told me that was cool. She would send it to me early or whatever. So it was like really great customer service. And it came pretty fast. So yeah. So I absolutely love the box. I would definitely get it again. I can't wait to come back and show you guys what I got in my ring box for next month, okay? And as far as like the website, any coupons, deals, anything like that, I'll definitely put it in below, okay? Okay. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for the people who've already subscribed. I hope you're having fun. If you have any questions or comment, please do so below.